Если что, можно порезать, да?
Там
Так.
было там что-нибудь, что можно было смешнее?
И end. First fact, I started dancing really late. It's almost, you shouldn't start even. I started 16 until 18, finished school, and that's it, straight to the company. Second fact, after I finished, I also went to the army for 3 years, and I did ballet and army together. And the third fact, my entire family is in the arts. My parents were dancers, and their parents were also working in the theater. Yes, I have a collection of tea from around the world. So whenever I see something that it's different or something that it's unique, I try to have a little bit and bring it here, so I have it. I would like to have immortality. I want to live and see what the humanity will be like. If we go to space, if we stay in space, what will happen in 1,000 years or 2,000 years. It's interesting. Someone who's honest about herself, who doesn't lie, who doesn't pretend to be someone who is not. So if they have flaws and I have flaws, and if I work with their flaws, they work with my flaws, so it's honest. Not so I won't feel that in 6 months or 1 year I'll say, wait, that's not how you were a year ago. What's wrong? Last book I read was Dune by Frank Herbert. It's nice. It's hard to understand. It's an old book from the 60s. It's about humanity in 10,000 years ahead, where we are in the space, and there in the book it's about some spies in one planet, and whoever controls the planet controls everyone.